My biggest kitchen regret was not installing double ovens. Searching for countertop ovens, I came across this one. I have a Wolf gas cooktop, so I knew it was a quality product. I absolutely love this oven. I use it more than my big oven and it bakes just as well. I would recommend paying close attention when opening the door with your bare hand, because if you touch the door behind the handle, you will burn your fingers. This is the only design hiccup I have found thus far. The temperature probe is awesome. It sits under my upper cabinets and surrounding items are warm to the touch, not hot. It was a great purchase and I wish I had bought it much sooner. What's not to like? It does its job as a second oven very well. Here are my opinions, observations on a few major points of comparison to other products. Problems and warranty. I understand, but have not confirmed, that there are no service centers in the US, which could be problematic. While I've yet to have any issues, if I did, I'd plan on begging parts from Wolf to fix it myself rather than hassle with the return, expense and possible shipping damage. Most companies are happy to comply with this because it saves them money. No idea what to expect from Wolf, but it's reasonable to expect this wouldn't be an issue. If I was concerned with this, I'd consider buying from a local dealer instead, so you might have the option to return, exchange it down the road depending on what their policies are. Unlike the Breville and other products that are known for a number of issues according to reviews, I could really only find one potential issue with this product regarding alleged, known, electronics failures. These seem to be very rare and not systemic issues. We've not had any problems. Hypothetically, these could be nothing more than an occasional loose connection resulting from shipping. That might be easily addressed by folks with the know-how. But one would have to contact Wolf to ferret out and confirm the details if you could. That said, should they occur, having a lack of service centers could be problematic for some folks. I expect the odds of issues are very low, but like other products, this is made in China and you might want to look into what service would require for you before you purchase. Cook times. My wife's characterization is that it cooks hotter than our standard oven, and food cooks quicker and cook time needs to be adjusted accordingly. Click link in description for more reviews.